Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Todoist for goal tracking, your complete 2025 guide. First things first, you need to set up your account if you haven't done so already. Simply go to Todoist's website and follow the prompts to create your account. This is crucial as it sets the foundation for your journey in goal tracking. Now that we have that sorted, it's time to create your first project. You can do this by clicking on the Add Project button on the left sidebar. This helps us because it enables you to categorize your goals into different areas of your life or different themes. Next up, let's add your goals into the project. Each goal should be an actionable task in your project. Just click on your project, then click on Add Task. Make sure to be specific and realistic with your tasks, so you know exactly what you need to do and when. The reason we do this is because breaking down your goals into smaller tasks makes it easier for you to achieve them. This is where Todoist really shines, with its ability to set deadlines and reminders. After you've added a task, click on it, then select Schedule. Here you can set a due date for your task. You can also set reminders to ensure you do not forget about it. This is important because it helps you stay on track and avoid procrastination. Let me explain why this matters. By scheduling your tasks and setting reminders, you're essentially making a commitment to yourself to accomplish these tasks. It's a form of accountability that keeps you focused and motivated. Now, keep in mind, Todoist is not just about tracking your goals, but also about celebrating your progress. Once you've completed a task, you can mark it as done. This gives you a sense of accomplishment and motivates you to keep going. And there you have it. That's how you use Todoist for goal tracking. Remember, the key to achieving your goals is consistency, so keep at it. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this tutorial was helpful in setting you on your path to achieving your goals with Todoist. Until next time, keep tracking and stay motivated.